Hello students. Till now we have studied up to Ohm's law. Today we are going to study about the effects of temperature on conductor and resistivity. So let's get started. If the temperature of a metallic conductor connected in the circuit increases, its resistance increases. Effect of area of cross sections of the conductor. By experiment, it is found that the resistance of a conductor is inversely proportional to its area of cross section, that is, R is directly proportional to 1 by A, where A equals to area of cross section of the conductor. So, when the area of cross section of a wire is doubled, its resistance gets halved. And if the area of cross section of a wire is halved, then its resistance will get doubled. Thickness of wire is usually represented by its diameter. It is experimentally found that the resistance of the wire is inversely proportional to the square of its diameter, that is R equals to 1 by d square times. So when the diameter of a wire is doubled, then its resistance becomes 1 by 4 times, and if the diameter of the wire is tripled, then its resistance becomes 1 by 3 का whole square or 1 by 9 times. Resistivity or specific resistivity. It has been found by experiment that the resistance of a given conductor is directly proportional to its length, that is, R is directly proportional to L. Equation number 1. The resistance of a given conductor is inversely proportional to its area of cross section, that is, R is directly proportional to 1 by A. It is the second equation. Now, by combining the relations equation number 1 and equation number 2, we get R is directly proportional to length by area, that is R equals to rho L by A, where rho is a constant known as resistivity of the material of a conductor. Resistivity is also known as specific resistance. Hence, from equation number 3, we get R is directly proportional to the resistivity. Now, R equals to rho L by A, therefore, rho equals to R A by L, where R equals to resistance of the conductor, A equals to area of cross section of the conductor, and L equals to length of the conductor. If we change the material of the conductor to one whose resistivity is 2 times the resistance, then the resistance will be 2 times. Let us come to the SI unit of resistivity. The SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. We know that rho equals to R into A by L. Unit of rho equals to unit of resistance into unit of area by unit of length. So ohm into meter ka whole square divided by meter, which becomes ohm meter. So the unit of resistivity is ohm meter. The resistivity of a substance is numerically equal to the resistance of a rod of resistance of that substance, which is 1 meter long and 1 meter square in cross section. At 20 degrees Celsius or room temperature, the value of resistivity of metals are very small, of the order of 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. This makes them good conductor of electricity. The value of resistivity of insulators like glass and fused quartz are very high, of the order 10 to the power 16 ohm meter. And the resistivities of the materials like metalloids or semiconductors are of the order 10 to the power minus 3 to 10 to the power 3 ohm meters. Hence, the resistivity of a substance depends upon the nature of material of which substance is made up of. The resistivity of metals are the least and the resistivity of the insulators are the most. resistivity of material changes if its temperature changes, and resistivity of substance does not depend upon the length, shape, and area of cross section. For example, a 10 centimeter long copper wire and a 20 centimeter long copper wire have same value of resistivity. Similarly, thickness and thin copper wires have same value of resistivity. Now, difference between resistivity and resistances. Resistivity is the property of a substance or a material, while the resistance is the property of an object. Resistivity of objects of different shapes and sizes of same material is same, while resistance of objects of different shapes and sizes made up of same material is different. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.